From line to life, this feature transforms rough sketches into realistic visual previews, saving both time and effort. Start by adding your input. You can select a file from your history, upload it from your device, or simply drag and drop it into the viewport. Next, choose the image visual type. For this example, select Interior. Keep the prompt section empty for now and move to Styling. Set the desired style for your final output. You may add a reference image or proceed without one. Decide whether to include human figures in the render, then select the appropriate time of day to define the scene lighting. Choose the surrounding environment details and set your preferred aspect ratio. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your realistic render is ready. Now, if you want to make changes, it's just as simple. To update the flooring, go to the prompt section and enter Floor, polished marble plus grey and white veins. Hit Generate again and the image updates instantly. This is how you convert hand-drawn ideas into high-quality 3D renders in just seconds.